Hello everyone, welcome to FPL another brand new video of captaincy pick for game week 11. In this content, we will talk about 3 players whom we have selected for captaincy. Now let's go deeper into the video. The way Mohamed Salah has been playing this season, this could be a record-breaking one. Whatever the fixture is, whatever the venue is, one cannot just skip the name of Mohamed Salah in case of giving the captain's armband. He has already provided 112 fantasy points in just 10 game weeks while scoring 10 and assisting another 7. He made 26 attempts this season and created 11 chances in the last 6 matches. In his previous 8 meetings against West Ham, he provided 84 points, averaging more than 10 points per game. This season, West Ham has conceded a chance in every 11.8 minutes. They generally possess a good defensive record and display as they have the second lowest XGA in the league. But the way Salah is going, he might break many of FPL's records this season. So he is the undisputable captaincy choice for upcoming game week 11. Leicester are having an underwhelming season so far, but Vardy didn't disappoint his managers in the first 8 game weeks. He gave FPL return in 6 out of first 8 game weeks, scored 7 goals and assisted 1. Although he has delivered consecutive blanks in the last 2 games against Leeds, Vardy scored 11 FPL points in his last appearance. Leeds are having a terrible defensive run. They conceded 17 goals and almost 16 goal attempts per match. In both cases, only 3 teams have worse records than them this season. They have an XGC of 1.63 per match, whereas Vardy has an XG of 0.43 per match. Vardy took more than 2 goal attempts and at least 1 shot from inside the box per match, which makes him the most attacking player in Leicester's squad. That's why Vardy is our second choice for captaincy pick for this game week. Aubameyang has scored 4 goals and assisted 1 in this season so far, which resulted in 39 fantasy points. Auba has 6 goals and 2 assists against Watford in their last 5 meetings as he scored 52 fantasy points, averaging more than 10 points per match. That proves he can thrive in this game week too. He had 15 goal attempts and he owns the highest XG among the Arsenal players. Watford's defensive record gives us hope to cheer for this guy as they conceded more than 14 shots per match and conceded more than 4 shots on target. Auba had more than 2 goal attempts per match and we hope he will have the chance to improve it in this game week. The Gabonese international could be one of the top differential picks in this game week for sure, as because he is owned by only 5.6% managers. That was all from us for this week's captaincy pick suggestion. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming contents. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.